Hello, fellow teacher. Did you know that in your classroom, you have students with different learning styles and preferences? To ensure learning happens at the same pace for all, you are encouraged to apply Universal Design for Learning, UDL. UDL is a teaching approach designed to optimize learning by using flexible methods, materials, and assessments to accommodate different learning needs for all students in the classroom. UDL is mediated in 3 principles, namely multiple means of representation, multiple means of engagement, and multiple means of action and expression. Multiple means of representation. To apply this principle, you are expected to create an inclusive and engaging learning environment by using diverse instructional methods, including visual, auditory, text-based materials, assessive technologies, hands-on activities, peer discussions, flexible access, and quick assessments. Multiple means of engagement. To apply this principle, you are expected to recognize and accommodate individual differences to enhance students' engagement and motivation. Multiple means of action and expression. To apply this principle, you are expected to offer diverse assessment methods, encouraging verbal and written expression, incorporating hands-on activities, and using technology to allow students to demonstrate understanding in various ways. Teacher, you are requested to incorporate or apply these 3 principles into lesson planning and curriculum delivery in your classroom. Learner's readiness.
Learner's readiness, this is an entry point for the learners or students to be prepared for learning. And in the learner's readiness, we can apply one of the 3 principles of UDL. That is multiple means of engagement. In learner's engagement, we are going to apply different ways of engaging learners. For example, a teacher can use a song, a teacher can play a video, a teacher can tell a story, and so on.
Do you like singing? Yes. Yeah, this song goes like this. Good morning, good morning, good morning. This is a lovely day. Good morning, good morning, good morning. We have to dance and pray. You are to dance and play. You like it? Can you sing it together? Good morning, good morning, good morning. This is a lovely day. Good morning, good morning, good morning. We are to dance and play. We are to dance and play. You can sit.
Introduction.
After learner's readiness, in UDL, we have introduction. In introduction, a teacher can apply multiple means of engagement by creating safe and supportive learning environment, which is going to motivate these learners or students to learn.
In introduction, learners enter the lesson with the support of the teacher through demonstration, storytelling, role plays, video plays, chat display, and many more.
We are going to learn about animals. Do you know animals? Yes. Are you sure? Yes. Wow, that's good. So, who can name at least one animal that you know? Yes, please. A leopard, good. A snake, good. Yes. A goat, right? Yes, please. A bee, good. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now, these animals you have mentioned have bones. Some have bones, some don't. Okay? Do you know the animals that have bones?
Yes.
Can you tell me the animals that have bones inside their bodies? Animals that have bones inside their bodies. Wow, Deborah. A leopard has bones inside their body. An elephant has bones inside the body. Now, today, our lesson is about classifying animals according to their backbone. Now, that means the backbone is a characteristic that we are going to use to classify these animals. Do you understand when I say classify?
Yes.
Yeah, good. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to classify animals according to their backbone. Good.
Lesson development.
In the lesson development, this is where the real teaching and the real learning is taking place. In the real teaching and real learning, a teacher uses the two principles of UDL. These are multiple means of representation. Here, a teacher uses multiple means of representation. Maybe, for example, he can use a video to represent a content, can use a story, can use diagrams or images to represent a content. Because remember, behind all this, we are having an inclusive classroom.
I want to play you a video, a short video. You will have to be attentive and follow. Be attentive and follow the video. As it plays, I will explain what it is. Please watch attentively. I will ask you about these animals you have watched. Okay? Some of you have heard about the backbone. Okay? This picture here, I paused the video. This picture here shows the backbone. We very well know that even humans have a backbone. Yes?
Yes.
And the human backbone is made of many bones, around 33 bones. 33 bones. So all those bones running from the neck to where the tail begins are called the backbone. So when I talk about backbone, this is what I will be meaning. Okay? So I'm going to ask you to tell me some of the animals you have followed in a video. Okay? Yes, please.
Snake.
A snake? Good.
Leopard.
And so many other animals. Thank you so much for following. Now, we are going to classify these animals according to their backbone. Now, having a backbone simply means that you have bones inside the body. Inside the body. Actually, there is a word used to explain that. Who can guess that word? Yes, Ivan?
Animal has backbone is called vertebrate.
Vertebrate. Can you clap hands for that? Yes. An animal that has a backbone is known as a vertebrate. A vertebrate. All of you say vertebrate. 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 Wow, good, good. So, those animals, like we have seen, the small ones, don't have a backbone. Yes? They don't have a backbone. What name do we give them? What name do we give animals that don't have a backbone. Here's the ball.
Vertebrates.
That they are called invertebrates. Thank you so much. Clap hands for her.
In lesson development, we have another principle, UDL principle, which is multiple means of engagement. And this is where a teacher uses different styles, because we are having learners with different learning styles. For example, a teacher puts the students in groups and provides them with activities where these learners inclusively, they are going to be using multiple means of engagement. For example, one group can use hands-on activities or experiment. Another group can have playing video. Another group can have presenting images or charts. But all these focus on the same content. Why? We are having different students with different learning styles. Therefore, we need to apply different ways of engaging them so that the learning takes place at the same pace and the students are motivated in the learning.
What you do, you come, pick an animal, you go and stick it where it belongs. I will begin with the pick a tronom, any animal. So what you do, you see what she has picked? An elephant. Okay. Someone to come and pick an invertebrate. Wow, what have you picked? He has picked a butterfly. So press it on the side of invertebrates.
The importance of applying multiple means of representation and multiple means of engagement during lesson development is to help the teacher and the students themselves inclusively to learn perfectly at their learning pace.
During lesson development, you should promote collaboration, encourage creative expression through diverse communication methods, allow self-pacing, offer students a choice on how they respond, and use flexible tools and resources, both digital and printed, to accommodate different learning styles. Assessment and conclusion.
After lesson development, we are now going to look at assessment. In assessment, students have already done the activities, and now the teacher needs to know how they have done the activities. What is their ideas? What is their findings? Students are going to use multiple means of action and expression, whereby a student can decide to use either by telling a story, by having an experiment being conducted, by presenting the real image of what he has learned. The student can also use a video or a project to express his or her ideas from the learning process.
During the assessment, teachers are expected to differentiate assessment difficulty. Use different assessment formats such as quizzes, projects, presentations. Then offer learners different options to demonstrate learning and incorporate real-world relevance and interactive assessments such as games or simulations to help maintain students' interest.
So what you are going to do, you are going to draw a table in this form, okay? So you decide to choose either of the sides. You can put vertebrates this side and list invertebrates this side, or either the way. You can say this side is for invertebrates and this side is for vertebrates. Yeah, so you can do it. Let's go together. How were you able to group these animals? How were you able to group these animals? Let's pick out the animals together. Yes, Keza? Cow. The cow. Yes? Ah? Oh, yes, a lizard. A lizard. We are ending our lesson of today. We have seen that we can classify animals into two groups, that is according to their backbone, whereby we say that the animals which have a backbone are known as vertebrates, and those which don't have a backbone are known as invertebrates. I'm going to give you a piece of homework. You are to make a list of animals with a backbone and those without a backbone. You write the homework. Thank you so much for being good children. You've been so wonderful in this lesson. We meet in the next set lesson. See you next time. Bye. Bye. Good.